In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact database in Notion. We'll start in your Notion sidebar. Click the plus new page button to create a fresh space for your contacts. You can give the page a clear title so it's easy to find later. Inside that page, add a database. Type /database and choose either table inline or table full page. Inline lets you place the table alongside other notes on the same page, while full page dedicates the entire page to the database. Pick whichever fits your workflow, then name the database My Contacts so everything stays organized. Next, set up the properties that will power your contact records. Notion begins with a default name column. Rename it to Contact Name so it's crystal clear. Add a phone number column and set its type to phone so Notion formats it properly. Add an email column and set its type to email for quick click to compose links. For company or organization, you can keep it simple with text. Standardize options with select or multi-select. Or, if you track companies in a separate database, choose relation to link them. Add a role or title column using the text type. Create a status column and use select or multi-select to label people as lead. Client or friend consistent labels make filtering easier. Add a last contacted column using the date type, so you can track interactions and plan follow-ups. Include a notes column with the text type for context you don't want to forget. Finally, add a social media column using the URL type for quick links to profiles like LinkedIn. With your structure in place, start adding contacts. Click the blue New button at the top of the database. Each new row opens as its own page, where you can fill in the properties on the right and write longer notes in the page body things, like how you met or what to discuss next. Keep entries consistent so searches and views work smoothly. To visualize your contacts, customize views. Create a board view grouped by status to see leads, clients, and friends at a glance. Add a calendar view based on last contacted to schedule and spot follow-ups. You can also try a gallery view for richer profile cards. Rename views, set a default, and adjust grouping or sorting to match how you work. That's it, your Notion contact database is ready. Thanks for watching.